If you're thinking about trying weever.ai, stop scrolling. Here are 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. This is one of the most impressive just released AI software tools I've tested recently. And if you're in marketing, content creation, or running any kind of business online, this one might just be a game changer. By the way, you can try weever.ai completely free from the first link in the description. No credit card needed. But stick around, because there's a huge surprise about its capabilities near the end that most people overlook. And it could save you hours every single week. Now, let's talk real. First off, weever.ai isn't just another copycat GPT wrapper. What makes it stand out is the way it combines AI agents, automations, and workflows into one intuitive dashboard. It's designed so you can literally weave together tasks like lead generation, cold outreach, social media content, and even website building without needing a dozen separate tools. I've tested a lot of automation platforms over the years, but this one has the smoothest plug-and-play setup I've seen. Within 10 minutes, I had a full AI workflow running that scraped leads, personalized emails, and scheduled follow-ups without me touching a thing. Second, the prompts it uses aren't generic. They're pre-built, role-specific, and optimized. You've got agents for cold email, SEO blogs, LinkedIn content, TikTok scripts, and more. And if you're thinking, okay, but can I customize it? Yes, deeply. You can tweak every step in the workflow, chain agents together, and even insert your own conditions or brand voice. Third, this thing learns. As you use it, Weaver starts refining outputs based on your feedback, which means better results over time. And the built-in analytics help you see exactly which workflows are performing. Fourth, the integrations. It connects to Google Sheets, Notion, Zapier, and more. That means Weaver. AI doesn't live in isolation. It actually works with your existing stack. If you're using tools like Slack or CRMs, you can auto-trigger actions without manual intervention. Fifth, they've nailed the UX. It's not bloated. Everything is drag and drop. And for non-techies, the pre-made templates remove all guesswork. I gave it to someone on my team who had never used automation before, and they built a complete cold outreach flow in 15 minutes. Sixth, pricing. During launch, they're offering insane value. The free tier actually gives you access to a lot of core features, which is rare. You can build real workflows and see results without paying a cent. Obviously, if you need unlimited runs and integrations, you'll want to upgrade, but it's generous. And seventh, this is the kicker, it actually works across business models. I've tested weever.ai with e-commerce funnels, agency lead gene, solopreneur content strategies, and even SaaS onboarding flows. It adapts. You're not locked into a one-size-fits-all template, so is weever.ai the best new AI software just released? From what I've seen, it's definitely in the top tier, and again, you can try it totally free from the first link below. If you're serious about building smarter systems, not just using AI, this is one of the most efficient and intuitive tools out there. And if you're curious about what other AI tools I recommend, after trying literally thousands, they're all in the description too, and many of them are also free to try.